Okay, so this is going to be 1 Foxtrot something, the 1731 Great Western Railway Service, Great Western Railway Service from Portsmouth and Southsea to Cardiff Central. Starting at Portsmouth and Southsea today due to bridge replacement between Portsmouth Harbour and Portsmouth and Southsea. 158,950. We've really got 450.021 at the rear with 450.089 at the front here, which is working 1 Papa 49, the 1137 South Western Railway Service from London Waterloo to Portsmouth and Southsea. Current time is still going apart for a while. Okay, let's go over.